Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download and install Microsoft Outlook on your computer. So how to download and install Microsoft Outlook on your computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the browser on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of the browser. To download Outlook, just go to the search. Type download Microsoft Outlook for PC. Well, next, here will appear like Microsoft Outlook like this. Tap, and the download menu will appear. To download it, tap the download icon here. Well, after that it will appear in the download folder on the top right here. Next, tap the download results. Well, then the selection will be displayed. Tap Run. And then it will enter the download process while installing the application. Wait a few moments until the process is complete. Well, after it's finished. This is the display after installed. To use, you can enter your Outlook account, and if you do not have one, you can create it here. So that's it, tutorial how to download and install Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.